Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to connect your Sonos speaker to Spotify in just a few easy steps. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open the Sonos app. Make sure your Sonos speaker is set up and connected to Wi-Fi. Then, open the Sonos app on your phone or tablet. Step 2. Go to Settings. In the app, tap the Settings icon, then select Services and Voice. Step 3. Add a service. Tap Add a Service, choose Spotify, and then tap Add to Sonos. Step 4. Sign in to Spotify. You'll be redirected to the Spotify login page. Sign in with your account and allow access so Sonos can control playback. Step 5. Play your music. Now go back to the Sonos app or open Spotify, select your song, tap on Devices Available, and choose your Sonos speaker. That's it. Your Sonos is now linked with Spotify and ready to stream your favorite music seamlessly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more quick and easy tech tutorials.